welcome to another interesting episode of your mathematics time with Miss Mo. Alright, okay, so this morning we're going to discuss improper fractions. The last time we discussed proper fractions. Okay, so this morning we are going to be looking into an improper fraction. Alright, a very quick one. What are fractions? The last time I give you an example that whenever you see a number like this, 1 all over 2 is a fraction. Okay, so here we have the first one at the top is called the numerator and the one underneath is called the denominator. Okay, so what is an improper fraction? From the name improper, when we relate it to things that happen around us, improper is something that is not balanced. Okay, so improper fraction, when we relate that also to an improper fraction simply means a kind of fraction in which the numerator, which is the upper part, is bigger than the down part. Okay, so for instance, we have 7 over 4. We have 7. I'm using my permanent marker for me. Okay, we have 7 over 4. When we're looking at this, 7 is definitely bigger than 4. Good. So this is an example of an improper fraction. 7 is bigger than 4. Let's quickly look at another one. We have 14. 14 over 3. Okay, so 14 is obviously bigger than 3. Okay, another name for an improper fraction is top heavy. Just imagine yourself having a herd having a herd 5 times bigger than the whole size of your body. Imagine that. Okay, it's going to weigh you. You think so? Okay, so that is how improper fractions are. The top are always bigger than the bottom, and it's also called top heavy. Okay, so whenever improper fraction comes to your mind, just think about top heavy. The top, alright, heavier than the whole parts of the other number. Alright, so improper fraction example has been given. So improper fraction can also lead to a mixed number. Okay, so let's quickly divide this now. Let's convert this to mixed numbers. So whenever you're dealing with improper fraction, have it at the back of your mind rather, that you're going to divide. Good. So when we are changing this, changing of improper fractions to mixed numbers. Okay, we are changing it to mixed numbers. So here we have 7 over 4. When we are dividing 7 over 4, how many times can we bring out 4 from 7? Let's go back to the anyhow you want to do your workings, I don't mind as long as you get to the answer. So let's come down to the lowest level. So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many times can we bring 4 out of 7? Let's quickly look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So we can bring it. Let's build a house with it. We can build it once. Can we still get another 4? Let's quickly check. 1, 2, 3. No, we cannot get another 4. So we are left with what? 3. Assuming this number is up to 4, we would have gotten 2 4 out of that. So that's when we are dealing with 8. Okay. So here we have remainder what? 3. So we can get it one time, right? One whole number. Okay. 3 over what? 4. So this is an example of what? A mixed number. So what are mixed numbers? Mixed number has both the proper fraction and a whole number. A whole number is a single number or double number, or however you write the number, that stands on its own without having a remainder. Okay, so here we have a proper, this is called proper whole number. Then this is the 3 over 4 is a proper fraction. Example like the one we did last week. Okay, we have 3 over 4. 3 over 4, 3 is lesser to 4. Okay, so that's an example of mixed number. Let's look at another example of a mixed number. Okay, we have 14 over 3, right? Okay, so how many times can we bring out 3 from 14? Okay, to convert, now remember we are converting to mixed number now. This is an example, a typical example of an improper fraction which is being converted now to a mixed number. Yeah, you got it. Okay, so 14 over 3, we have, how many times can 3 come out of 14? Do we count again? I'm never tired of counting. Okay, so let's count it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh my god. Okay, so let's bring out 3 out of 14 now. So we are building our houses with 3 stroke of sticks. Okay, so these are the bamboo trees we're using, the bamboo sticks rather we're using. Then we are, arranging them 3 by 3. Okay, so for us to know the ones that remain. So this is the first set of bamboo sticks. 1, 2, 3. We have built our house once. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is the second set. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is the third set, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth set. All right, then let's count again. 1, 2. Oh, not up to 3. Okay, so that means you are stopping here because you cannot get one more extra to make it 3. Okay, so now how many houses do we have built together now? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have built 4 houses now. So we have, the answer will now be 4 whole number remaining what? You're not going to, throw away this remaining 2. You still have to put it. So we have 2 over 3. So our answer is 4 whole number 3 over, I hope you can say it. Okay, 4 whole number 2 all over 3. So this now, we have converted an improper fraction to mixed numbers. Okay. Alright, so we have 4 whole number 3 over 2. So very quickly, let us look at how we can also change our mixed number back to improper fractions. They work together. They are friends. Good friends. All right. So we have, for example, changing. How am I just picking this other one? Okay, changing of mixed numbers. Okay. To what? To what? Alright, improper fractions, right? So can you suggest an example? Okay, give me an example. Okay, we should change 3 whole number 2 over 5. Okay, 3 whole number 2 over 5. 3 whole number 2 over 5. We should change it to an improper fraction. Alright, so how can we go about it? Any idea from you? I'm giving just 5 seconds to suggest. You tried. Okay, so we have, the simplest thing to do is you multiply 3 times what? 5. Then you add your answer with the remainder. Okay, so we have, you cross it together. Okay, so we have 3 times 5 times 5. Good. Plus what? 2. Okay, so 3 times 5 is what? 15. Are you sure? Or do we count it? Okay, let's count 3 5 times. Alright, so 3 times 5 means counting 3 5 times or counting 5 3 times. Anyhow you want to arrange it. Okay, let's count 3 5 times. 1, 2, 3. First house. 1, 2, 3. The second house. 1, 2, 3. The third house. 1, 2, 3. The fourth house. 1, 2, 3. The fifth house. So now we have counted 3 how many times? 5 times now. So we have 1 house, second house, the third house, the fourth house, the fifth house. Okay, so I wish I have 5 houses. Okay, so when we're counting it, plus 2. Okay, plus 2. So this 2 is not yet enough for us to build a house with. I'm still going, to the market to get one more extra steak to add to this, but before now it's not up to 3. And remember, I'm building my house with three steaks per house. Okay, so let's count all the numbers together now. Don't forget you're adding your 2 also to it. You're not building a house with it yet. So let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right, so we have 17 over what? What did we use? What is the denominator? All right, so our answer is 17 over 5. So what did we convert this to at the end of the day? We converted it to improper fraction. All right, and improper fraction are usually what? The numerator is usually what? Good. Roll and pop for yourself. Good. So the numerator is usually bigger than the denominator. Okay, so do we do one more class fun? Do we do one more example together, or we should go straight to your class fun? Okay, let's do one more example. So okay, 4 number 3 over what? 2. Okay, so let's quickly convert this now to improper fraction. Okay, so we have 4 what times 2 plus what? 3. Okay, so that means we're building how many houses now? 2 houses with how many stakes? 4 stakes for each of the houses. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the first house. Then the second one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Our second house. Plus our remainder is what? 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so the next time I go to the market, I'm going to get extra bamboo trees to make it up, to make it 4. But for now we have 3 extra bamboo trees. Okay, so let's count it together now. Alright, let's count it together now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright, so our answer is what? 11 over what? 2. Back to our what? Improper fraction. Only for the fun of it. Alright, so we have number 1. Change the following okay, change the following to an improper fraction. So we have the first one, 4 number 2 over 3 is a mixed number. You convert it to improper fraction. Then we have 5 whole number 3 over 4. Good luck. Then number 2, change the number below, okay, to a mixed number. So we have 25 over what? 6. Okay, thank you for joining me today in another episode. Okay, I hope you've learned one of 2 things. Please invite your friends. Yes, there's nothing bad in inviting your friends to this channel. And kindly subscribe. The essence of subscription is just for you to be notified or to get notification whenever I upload new videos. I upload new videos at least twice in a week. So please kindly subscribe to this channel. You have a lot to gain. Parents, please spread the news of this channel, and pupils, spread the news also. Okay, now that you know proper and improper fraction, the next class we are going to go into the details of adding and subtracting these fractions. All right, until then, please be of good behavior. Remember, your real character is the real you when nobody is there. Say it again. My real character is the real me when nobody is there. Until next time, see you. Catch you later. Bye-bye.